Tectonic. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back once again with another banger for you guys. Another banger of a video. And Tonic is absolutely crushing it. It's another green day for Tonic, up 14%. Is the bull market back? I wouldn't be surprised if it is, guys. I wouldn't be surprised. We're gonna dive deep into Tonic in every video that we can. Check out all the things that would be super interesting for Tonic and any new updates that may occur. If you're interested in any of that, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. If you hold Tonic, you're part of the Tonic and Crow fam. Now, as we can see from the chart, guys, we are in a mini bull pattern for Tonic. It is absolutely green, man. Nothing is stopping the train. I hope you guys hopped on the train, man, because it's leaving the station, okay? From Tom Squires, I should have gotten more weeks ago. Oh my gosh, man. From I am Iron Man, I'm calling new all-time high this year. And this is the thing, right? It is totally possible for a new all-time high. You can't even rule out a new all-time high for Tonic. You always expect the unexpected when it comes to crypto. Crypto is very unpredictable. If the big dogs put in new all-time highs, say Bitcoin and ETH go to brand new all-time highs, I wouldn't be surprised Tonic does it as well. From Tom Squires once again, his whole bag is Tonic. His biggest bag is Tonic. Hey, shout outs to you for that, man. The market are changing, and if everything is up for chance, there's a good chance crypto projects like Tonic will moon. And this is the thing, right? That is actually super accurate because Tonic has great fundamentals. It's a low cap project with great fundamentals. It's gonna follow the top leading market movers. And like I always say, you throw some catalysts on top of that as well, like the team releases new utilities, there's exchange listings, you know, maybe even tier 1 exchange listings, Binance, who knows, right? You never know. Can't rule that out. There's new exchange listings, new utilities, marketing campaigns that take place while we're in the bull market. There's new retail that come to crypto.com, sign up to crypto.com as it onboards new people into the space. A lot of them are going to be taking a look at Tonic. They're going to see Tonic up 50% on the day and be like, what is this? How do I get some of this? And they're going to do their best to get piece of the pie. You know, you have to think from a psychological perspective. There's something called wash trading, for example. Wash trading, it happens a lot in the degen space, you know. When it comes to like meme coins, a lot of projects tries to manipulate the amount of trade volume that is happening. So, you know, from a psychological perspective, investors think there's something going on with the project. What's great about Tonic is that this is all organic. This is no manipulation that is taking place. This is all organic trade volume, all organic moves to the upside. And like I said, from a psychological perspective, retail investors love to see green. I'm telling you, you think majority of people were buying down here? You think the majority of people were buying down here? I doubt it. I doubt they were. Retail investors love to see green. And you know, as you know, the bull market comes back, a lot of people are gonna turn their eyes to Tonic and be like, man, I gotta get in. I can't miss out. The train is leaving. I can't miss out. So, you know, if the bull market is indeed back, we'll see some great moves to the upside for Tonic. But even if we just see like a move up for Bitcoin to 24K, ETH around $2,500 or so, somewhere there, we'll see a move up for Tonic as well, guys. From DMV Boss, Tectonic 50-minute chart is taking off. In my opinion, don't miss out on this, one of the best DeFi projects on the Cronos ecosystem. That is accurate, and that is completely facts. That is completely facts. Lucy ETH 2.0, Tonic to the moon, Tectonic. And as you guys can see, the ski slope just keeps building. Great stuff, man. This is absolutely great. Tonic is so bullish. compared to a lot of other alts in the space. It is one of the most bullish alts that I'm seeing, right? From Riggs, Tonic is on a revenge pump. That indeed it is. The beers, we're having too much fun. We gotta send the beers back into hibernation, guys. We gotta wreck the beers. Get the beers out of here. It's the bull time. It's the bull's time to take over. We've been starving. We've been starving for too long. It's our time now, guys. It's our time to move to the upside. From Ribo, Tonic is making good gains, but Tonic, it has a long way to go to have a positive ROI. LFG, Tectonic fam, completely agree with that one, guys. Like I said, if we zoom out, we take a broader look at the entire Tonic chart, there's so much room to grow. There's still so much potential for Tonic, right? But it's great to see green after all of the red that we've been getting. So, you know, it's very bullish to see, man. It's a great thing to see. From Agent 00, once Tonic reclaims its all-time high, the world will regain balance. 100. Hey, that is a fact. I completely agree with that, man. And like I said, who's to rule it out? You can't really rule out anything, right? A lot of people think, oh, that's not possible, that can't happen. The amount of times they get proven wrong in the space. People get proven wrong in the space so many times. Crypto is just too unpredictable. You just never know. You go with your conviction. You go with what you believe in, and you stick to that, right? If your conviction says Tonic will be a banger for the bull market, stick to your conviction. That's what you have to do. And then when the bull market comes back, you're looking like a superstar, right? Psychologically and logically thinking, as far as the Cronos blockchain goes, Crow is gonna absolutely crush it. There's no doubt. Crow up 5%. We go to the 1 month, the 7 day. Like I said, literally doing the same thing Tonic is doing. Tonic is following Crow, and Tonic, being a part of the Crow ecosystem, one of the better alts on the Crow ecosystem. It will be one of those bangers, you know, one of the ones that catches a lot of attention, especially from retail investors, institutions as well, because of the utility, the DeFi aspects of it, right? It's very innovative, right? So don't rule out a new all-time high for Tonic. Don't rule out it going back to its previous all-time high. These things can happen in the future, right? From Eyebrow, hodl that Tonic like a baby bottle. Oh man, community of Tonic does have a huge sense of humor, man. You guys are super funny. From Fact Checker, Tectonic launched during the crypto crash of 2021. And that's the thing, it launched during the beer. It launched during the crash. It reached its all-time high early in 2022, and then the entire crypto and stock market went in a dive. Exactly right. The global economy struggles, but Tectonic remains strong and backed up by crypto.com and Cronos chain. Tonic survives. Tonic has never been in a bull market. Now that I think about that, that even makes me more bullish on the project. It has never seen a bull market. It reminds me of some projects that I've known that have never been through an actual bull market. They have just been through the beer. And this is the thing, Tonic launched at the crash and has survived throughout the whole beer market. It's one of those ones that has survived throughout the whole beer market, guys. You know how people say with certain alts, this one may not survive the beer, this one may. Tonic is here, staying strong. Tonic survives, like Fact Checker says. When the market goes into that bullish trend, and every day we're just seeing 100% moves, 500% moves, 1000% moves on a bunch of different alts, Tonic will be one of those alts. Don't rule it out. Anything is possible when it comes to crypto, guys. Don't rule anything out. And another very interesting chart from James Choi. US consumers still have about 6 months worth of excess savings compared to pre-COVID levels. We are entering a Goldilocks period. Few understand this. After the worst beer market ever since 1871. It's been the worst market since 1871. I truly do expect and believe the next bull market will be the best we've ever seen. There's gonna be a lot of chances to make crazy gains. If you're accumulating, you are smart. You're gonna be a superstar in the next cycle, right? If you're accumulating now, don't wait too late. Don't be one of those new investors that come into the space when projects are already at all-time highs and then the market crashes on them. Get in when it's low. A 20%, 100% move on a project from its bottom is not even a bad entry. It's not. It really isn't. Just DCA. That's the smartest thing to do in any project. You know, Tonic, Crow, any project, DCA. So we have peak excess savings 2.1 trillion, and they've completely fell off, and personal savings for everyone has completely fell off as well. It's only a matter of time till the you know, the Fed may have to add liquidity to the markets. You know, it's getting super rough for everyone in the economy at these times, guys. So if you're in crypto now and you are accumulating at the lows, or you're getting in even right now at this moment in time, you're gonna be setting yourself up great for the future, right? Tonic is one of those ones. Crow, those type of projects that will have you recession proof whenever it does happen, right? The market, the economy, it's bad. It's bad, guys. So the people that were in the space, they've left. They left. They're gonna come back when everything is back to all-time highs once again. You stuck around. You're here in the bear markets. You will be a superstar in the future. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single one of you that support these videos. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get into the algorithm. Let's get these videos out there to everyone on YouTube, right? If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.